This is the Old Guy Network.
Why do I need pants? Nobody can see me from the waist down. Oh, hi. Didn't see you over there. Well, thanks for checking out my video. If you like the video, please, like and share and subscribe. And if you'd like to buy me a cup of coffee, I sure could use one. Just go to my coffee page, and it's in the description. I left a link in there. And I really am wearing pants. Really. Welcome back to the Old Guy Network. I'm the old guy, the OG, Jay, and you know who you are. Well, day 21, I was planning on taking today off, actually. But then Jake got a hold of me early in the morning and said, "Hey, where are you at? I'm at the trailer. How come you're not here?" I really didn't think Jake was coming back, but he did. So I went over and we spent about 4 hours together today, and we finished off the rest of the doors. Everything is pretty much done. I went back even after I left. When Jake and I both left, I did go back and I did a little bit of caulking. I did a little bit of touch-up painting. Maybe got a little bit of touch-up to do, and that's it. The place is done, and I am just so happy. But I didn't get the day off. I ended up doing about 6 hours today. So the grand total so far is 207 hours in 21 days. And today was only 6 hours. That's the shortest day I've had so far. Now tomorrow I will go over for maybe a couple of hours just to make sure everything's clean and everything's picked up and put in the shed. And I'm going to start bringing my tools home, which is a great feeling that I can now bring my tools home. And that'll be awesome. Just awesome. So we're going to have, I'm going to have about 210 hours total. So that's pretty good for an old guy like me. Total of 22 days. We tried to do it in 14. The first at least 5 days, I didn't get a whole lot of work done because I had a good crew, but an inexperienced crew. And I had to be a manager, and I'm not used to being a manager. I'm used to doing things all on my own. So I didn't get to do as much as I wanted to in the first 5 days, and that really did show. Now, when Jake came along, different story. He's got years of experience. I could just say, "Hey, take care of the floor in the bathroom. Can you level that out, put the glue on down?" And yeah, no problem. A few hours later, it's all done, and it's done right, and great. He didn't have to ask me any questions. He just goes to work because he's done it for a long time, and that frees me up to do whatever I had to do. And I had to do a lot of little jobs, a lot of big jobs. I had a lot of different things, and as I say, wore a lot of hats on this one. So next time if we do one, it's gonna be me and Jake for the most part. I might have somebody come in and do some cleaning after we're done, but I think he and I can knock out a trailer in no time. I really do. He's very good, and I get along with him very well, and I guess he's the new OG in training. I haven't seen Zane for a while. I hope he's okay. I'm sure he's very busy, but there's a lot of OG in trainings out there, right? I mean, they're just old guys in training. They haven't reached the chronological age yet, but they're pretty wise, and he's one of them. Jake is one of them as well. So he's another OG in training. So that's what I'm going to call him, Jake the OG in training, and we've got Zane the OG in training, and then I don't know. We got so many people. But it's almost, it's pretty much done. Now I'm just waiting for Kevin to work his magic and do what he does best, and that's sell the trailer. And I did have some video. Last night we were waiting for somebody about 7 o'clock. We had somebody who was supposed to come and take a look. 7:30, something like that. And I did take some video of Kevin, but it was just too damn dark. So, Kevin, I can't make you a star this week, but I'm sure you'll show up again. You always do. But we did have somebody come. They took a look at the trailer. They were really, really enthusiastic. Not only did they like the trailer, but they're also interested in the Corvette. So hey, I told them I'll make you a deal. Add a little bit more, and you can get the Corvette too. I'll sell them both one day. That'd be awesome. And don't worry about me. I'll get another Corvette later on down the road. I still got plenty of time left. Hell, I'm only 57, so I'm not done yet. But yeah, it's looking really good. We've got quite a few people. We've got more people coming tomorrow. We've got some returns coming tomorrow. They want to take a look again. And now everything is done. All the doors are up. Everything's painted. Everything is nice and shiny and new and looks great. And so it's nice to it's nice to finally be able to at least think about taking a day off. Like I said, I'll do a couple hours tomorrow, and that'll be about it. So I don't have any video for you. It didn't come out. The stuff I did have didn't come out. So, and I showed you the trailer yesterday. So I'm not gonna bore you and do that again. But I will have some before and after pictures coming up very soon. I just have to get the pictures from the previous videos that I've shot, and that'll be kind of interesting. So that's it. 21 days. Well, actually, it'll be 22 days when we're done. 210 hours. Boy, I'm still tired. 22 days, 210 hours. That's where we are. So for the Old Guy Network, once again, I am the old guy. I'm the OG, and I'm out.